Hey everyone, welcome to our video about Transformers in AI. And no, we don't mean the robot toys from the movies. We are diving into something even cooler in the world of computers and AI. Have you ever wondered how your phone knows what word you might type next or how Google Translate works so well? That's where Transformers come in. They are like super smart computer brains that can understand and create human like text. Here's a fun example. I asked a transformer to tell me a joke and it said, "Why did the computer go to the art school?" Because it wanted to improve its draw speed. Okay, that's a bit cheesy, but it shows how these computer programs can come up with new ideas on their own. Transformers are changing how we use technology every day. They help us with things like translating languages, summarizing long articles, writing emails and stories, and even playing games like chess. In this video, we will explore how transformers work, why they are so special, and what cool things they might do in the future.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
If you want to elevate your career in AI, join Professional Certificate Program in Generative AI and Machine Learning by iHub Divya Sampark, IIT Roorkee. This 11-month program offers live classes by experts, IIT Roorkee campus immersion, and Simplilearn's career advice. You learn certificates from IBM courses, gain hands-on experiences with 25 plus projects, and learn the latest AI trends like generative AI and ChatGPT. Benefit from masterclasses by top faculty and industry experts. Enroll now and take the first step towards mastering AI and machine learning. The course link is mentioned in the description box below. So let's get started. So let's talk about what exactly are transformers. Transformers are an artificial intelligence model used to process and generate natural languages. They can read and understand huge amount of text and then use that knowledge to answer questions, translate languages, summarize information, and even create stories or write code. The magic behind transformers is their ability to focus on different text paths with attention mechanisms. This means that they can understand context better than older models, making their outputs more accurate and natural sounding. The basic structure of a transformer includes two main parts, the encoder and the decoder. Think of the encoder as a translator that understands and processes the input, and the decoder as the one that takes the processed information and turns it into the output. For example, if we are translating a sentence from English to French, the encoder reads the English sentence and converts it into a form that AI can understand. The decoder then takes this form and generates the French sentence. A great example of a transformer in action is ChatGPT. ChatGPT uses transformers to understand and generate human-like text. When you ask a question, it processes your input with its encoder and generates a response with its decoder. This lets it have conversations, write essays, and even tell jokes. For instance, if you ask ChatGPT, "What's the weather like today?" it uses its transformer model to understand your question and respond it with "It's sunny, with a chance of rain in the afternoon." This ability to understand and generate text makes transformers incredibly powerful. So let's talk about how transformers work. Transformers are especially good at sequence-to-sequence learning tasks, like translating a sentence from one language to another. Here's how they work. First, there's the attention mechanism. This allows the transformer to focus on different parts of input data. For example, if it's translating the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat," it can pay attention to each word's context to understand the meaning better. So it knows cat is related to sat and mat, helping it produce an accurate translation in another language. Transformers also use something called positional encoding. Since they process all words at once, they need a way to understand the order of the words. Positional encoding adds information about the position of each word to the input, helping the transformers understand the sequence. Another key feature is like parallel processing. Unlike older models like recurrent neural network, which is RNNs, the process text words by word. Transformers can process the entire sentence at once. This makes them much faster and more efficient. Let's compare transformers with recurrent neural networks. But first, let's understand what are RNNs. So RNNs is a type of neural network designed to handle sequential data. They process data one step at a time, maintaining a memory of previous steps. This makes them good for tasks where order matters, like speech recognition or time series prediction. However, RNNs have a problem called the vanishing gradient, which means that they can forget information from earlier in the sequence. Imagine trying to understand the sentence, Alice went to the park and then to the store. And RNN might struggle to remember Alice by the time it gets to the store, but a transformer can easily keep track of Alice throughout the sentence. So why are transformers better? Unlike RNNs, transformers process the entire sentence at once, keeping the context intact. This solves the vanishing gradient problem and makes transformers faster and more accurate to tasks like language translation and text generation. So let's talk about the applications of transformers. At first, we have language translation. They are used by services like Google Translate to convert text from one language to another. For example, translating hello, how are you to Spanish as hola. Then we have document summarization. They can take long articles and summarize them into shorter, more concise versions. For instance, summarizing a 10-page report into a few key points, making it easier to understand the main ideas without reading the whole document. Then we have content generation. Transformers can write articles, stories, and even code. They can create new content based on what they have learned. For example, you could ask a transformer to write a short story about a space adventure, and then it would come up with a unique narrative. Then we have game playing. Transformers can learn and play complex games like chess, making strategic decisions just like a human player. They analyze the entire board and make moves considering all possible outcomes. Let's talk about image processing. They are used in tasks like image classification and object detection, helping computers understand visual data. For example, identifying objects in a photo, like recognizing a cat, tree, or a car. Now let's understand the training process. The training transformers involves two main steps. Semi-supervised learning. They can learn from both labeled data where the answer is known and unlabeled data where the answer is not provided. This makes them very versatile. For example, a transformer could be trained on a mix of articles with and without summaries to learn how to summarize text effectively. Pre-training and fine-tuning. Transformers are pre-trained on a large data set to learn general patterns. Then they are fine-tuned with specific tasks, making them highly versatile. For instance, a transformer might be pre-trained on a large collection of books to understand language and then fine-tuned to generate marketing copy for a specific brand. The future potential of transformers is huge. Researchers are continuously improving them, making them even more powerful. We can expect more advanced applications in areas like healthcare, finance, and more sophisticated AI systems that interact with humans in more natural ways. Imagine having an AI that can provide personalized medical advice or one that can help you write a novel. In conclusion, we can say that transformers are a revolutionary architecture in AI. They offer speed, efficiency, and versatility, changing how we interact with the technology. The future looks bright for transformers, and we can't wait to see what they'll do next. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting videos by Simplilearn. That was all for this video. If you really like this session, do like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.